I did find the water bottle.
And what is that?
Which one? Shoes. Shoes. Oh, milk. Chocolate milk. What? What? What is it?
You didn't sleep.
I didn't. I know. I know I didn't sleep. I have a surprise for you, but I don't know if I should give it to you right now.
A what?
A surprise for you. But you gotta finish with that first.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it true?
What is it?
What's the proof?
What is it?
What's the proof?
What?
What is it?
What is it?
The proof.
What is what?
What is the proof?
There you go.
Is this real? No, for real.
I'm serious. It's true.
Is it really?
Where else would I get this from? Like, where else would I take this?
I don't know.
Where would I get this from?
Oh.
Where? Like, where else would I get this from?